Guys, so nandito kami sa may grocery. Ang price ng rice nila guys is 18.98. I don't really know what's the difference because have 20.98.
Here normal customers can come here. And that here who have the participated that cloth from the have the CPF there. Remember, you can ask the CPF.
Yes. So the real price is 18.98. Yeah. So this is the brand guys. Tissue guys, kailangan namin ito, bumibili kami. So 5.99 lang siya, 2 peraso na. Tignan nyo guys. Okay. So the price is 98.99 guys. So ito siya, ganito siya guys, So ganito siya guys, ang liit lang niya because
having only 225 grams.
Oh, and this is only the chocolate. I think here inside also have the Ferrero. I think 4 pieces also.
Let's check. Yeah, have it.
Sobrang mahal niya. Oh my goodness. How does people buy this one? Too much expensive. See? Because kasi guys, sinabi nila Ferrero daw kaya mahal. Price nila dito guys, ito yung milk na binibili namin. Siya guys is 4.59 isang peraso siya. So ganyan. So my husband, no baby, too much. Why you take 5?
You don't tell me stop.
Yeah, need only 2 pieces.
3.
2.
I like more 3.
Guys, magche-change tayo ng milk. So i-change natin is ito. Taran. So i-change natin siya guys. 4.39 siya, sa kawila is 4.59, right? Yeah. So change tayo ng milk. Itong mura. So pumili tayo ng mura guys. Ito guys, I will try this one. I will buy 2 pieces, 1 for you and 1 for me. Only try, no? Kasi isang piraso nito guys is 1.99. Ang brand na binibili namin guys is ganito siya. Masarap tong brand na to guys, talagang may lasa siya. Ang price niya is 10.98. Guys, ang price ng banana, so 3.49 per kilo siya guys, no? So depende kung gaano karami ang banana. Ganito karami guys. Wait, ito guys, na kinukuha ninyo, nilalagay nyo siya dito sa basket. Tara, ito yung lalagyanan niya. Guys, bibili kami ng ham. Naka-promotion siya. So, ang price niya is 5.90 isang peraso. You will take this one? At saka kailangan namin bumili ng cheese. I will tell you. The bacon here guys, tingnan nyo. Oh, promotion also.
This is promotion. No.
It's not promotion.
Not promotion. It's basic.
Because I like
only 250 grams.
So the most thing I like guys is this one bacon and this thing. But you see the price 23.99 siya. Masarap to guys pag nilalagay mo sa bread, kaso ang mahal niya. So ang cheese is 8.79 ang price. Ganyan siya guys. So we like promotion, no, me and my husband. So ayan na yung mga napag-grocery namin lahat. Tapos because we go in the different place, no? In different station, maybe have small. So kumuha siya guys ng ng mayonnaise, malaki siya 13.49 kasi minsan nagluluto ako is ginagamit kong mayonnaise at ketchup. Ang ketchup is 14.99, so malaki na siya guys. Gumagamit din ako ng ketchup pag nagluluto ako. Before guys, we are always buying cola. But the cola guys is 9.79 per cola siya guys. Dahil mahal siya, we like Pepsi. Pepsi is cheap guys, no? 7.39. So doon kami sa cheap price. So ayan, bumili ang aking asawa ng 2 peraso because my husband like Pepsi too much. For guys, nakita ninyo, I make video about this. And I like the taste. I think you will like it also. So I think I will buy 2 pieces. Dalawa siya guys. Kasi before I buy only 1. Don't have price.
10 real per pack.
Really? Where?
I don't know.
I'll check there in the cashier. No, but this is very good. You will like this one.
Inside?
This is good.
Ooh.
Ang price niya is 20.50 each. How you know this meat is good, no? Because of the fat?
Yeah, the fat between the meat.
Oh.
Inserting the meat.
And see this one, guys, no? Ang mahal niya, 34.76. Ba't ang mamahal ng mga meat ngayon, guys?
But this is cooking. Yeah, this is very good.
And this one also, 59.90. I think this one. No, hindi siya. Kasi may price siya rito. 67.57. I think this one. Have meat there in the apartment, no? And vinegar, guys. How much the vinegar? 13.49. So itong product na to, guys, ang gustong-gusto ko talaga. So ginagamit ko siya sa peanuts ko pag nagluluto ako. So yung lasa nito masarap talaga siya, guys. Kaysa dito sa mga apple cider vinegar. Ayoko ng lasa ng apple cider. I want this one. Guys, bumibili ng peanuts yung asawa ko. So kinakain niya yun pag gutom mo siya. Ganitong itsura niya, guys. Taran. So ang price niya, guys, is 11.99.